I survived the daily grind of a busy schedule and spent countless hours searching for a solution to burn belly fat effectively. I saved time and energy by incorporating a simple, yet powerful 15-minute walking exercise into my routine. This routine became my go-to method for shedding those stubborn inches and revitalizing my health. I built a consistent daily habit that involved brisk walking combined with targeted exercises. Each day, I walked for 10 minutes and followed it with 5 minutes of high-intensity interval training height moves like knee lifts and side shuffles. The challenges were real initially. It was tough to fit this routine into my day and stay motivated. But I got past those obstacles by tracking my progress and celebrating small victories. The results were noticeable both physically and mentally. I got rid of the belly fat that had been stubbornly hanging on for years. My energy levels soared, and I felt more confident in my clothes. Mentally, I felt a sense of accomplishment and empowerment. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews. Plus, enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. I faced the challenge of fitting exercise into my schedule, but the transformation was worth it. With the right approach, I got my fitness back on track and saw remarkable improvements. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Looking to boost your fitness further? The Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Try incorporating this 15-minute walking exercise into your day and witness how it can transform your body and mindset. Consistency is key. Stick with it, track your progress, and watch your results unfold.